Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Razr 60 Ultra, and let me share with you how to add the photo contact in this device. So let's start with opening your contact list, for example with the usage of the dialer. Find the contact which you'd like to edit and then tap on it. Now we have to tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner, so the pencil icon, and here let me quickly remove the photo. So this is what you will see after entering the contact without any kind of photo assigned. So now let's tap on add picture, and here we've got different sections from which you can choose the photo from. So device photos, we can immediately open the camera app just by tapping on the camera option, and you will be able to take a photo of someone who's right in front of you. You can choose something from the gallery. Here you've got also Google Photos, so basically your backed up photos. You can also choose a monogram, so just the first letter of the name of or the surname or nick of the person whose contact you'd like to customize, and the illustrations, which are free of charge and they are available online, which are also the best option if you do not have the photo of someone whose contact you'd like to customize. So let me choose something from those options, and let me choose maybe this parrot, I believe. And here we've got the photo. Here we've got also the preset, so you can choose something nice if you want to. And it does not really matter whether you've got something from the illustrations, or you've got your photo, or you've got something from or it will be taken by the camera. Basically you can change the frame, so you can change the position of this photo, you can zoom it in or out. You can also change the size of this highlighted square, and thanks to this you can decide what you will see after saving the whole contact, because basically this highlighted circle is responsible for it. So position it just like you want to, and then tap on choose. Now let's tap on save in the right upper corner, and this is how our contact will look like. Of course you will be able to see this photo on the contact list, and for example during all incoming calls from that specific number. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.